Welcome back to my channel, guys. So ito for today's vlog, guys, kasi wala nga kami palang doctor's appointment today, kaya magbablog na ako at mag-install si daddy today ng Ring Video Doorbell. Ito yung nabili nila kahapon when namili sila ng mga kagamitan para sa chicken coop namin. Nabili nila kahapon sa Lowe's. So ito na ngayon, guys. Magbablog ako today while daddy is installing it. And this one, guys, ito naman yung other camera na nabili namin sa Sam's, pero ibabalik namin siya kasi hindi siya wireless. Hindi katulad ng ito, wireless siya. So, kaya yun na muna yung update ko for today's vlog, guys. Ay, magbablog ako for a quick and easy tutorial for how to install the Ring Video Doorbell. Sana panoorin nyo, guys. See ya!
So, dapat mag-install nito, guys. Kasi hindi marunong si Akich. So, ito na yung Ring Doorbell. Steps, download the Ring app, and then scan this code, then complete your setup. Para makonect yung camera, alam mo? Yung... so the camera will be connected inside your phone. So you need to download this one.
This might take a moment. Rome wasn't built in a day.
So when I was typing in the password, make sure
Setup was
to clarify.
successful.
Make sure
With
what that.
Ring, you're always home.
That's it now. It's connected now. Success.
Now it's just downloading. For wireless installation, all you have to do is drill in these 4 screws.
So ito na, guys, magbablog ako, ng tutorial ako. Yung husband ko magkabit ng Ring Doorbell. Look, guys, very maulan na morning today. The orange is the level.
The bubbles.
So maybe we get this one out.
Yeah, you can take that off now. Oh, this keeps getting pulled to there.
So we already level up.
Hopefully it didn't fall in there.
It's here, love. It's here. Uy.
Remember, you need to take it off too.
Nagyaw sa manong. What, love?
Remember, you need to take it off.
Yeah.
See these two? These are gonna go in the bottom.
So those rings. So that's the one you put it
So
on?
this one, you hook in the top, and you just let it rest there. Now it's in there.
No, that's what I'm kind of thinking about. About if it is raining. Like now,
And
it's
then you
raining.
just screw this in.
Hello, love. Much better to love that you put here at the head, at the light. Like in the under.
It's okay.
Because it could protect
It is
from
water
the rain.
resistant, Eden.
But we could buy a little roof.
So now
on
try to
it,
take
right?
it off. Yeah.
Look, just easy. That's all? How did you put it? You just screw in it here.
That so the base there
Yeah.
hooks on, and then here it gives a place to screw it in. So now it's on.
Yeah. Yeah, you can take it off now, guys. So that's all easy, guys. To put the ring doorbell camera.
Another purpose of this ring doorbell, guys, is yung alam mo na, pag mayroon tayong mga mag-online shopping tayo, pasensya na kasi andyan yung anak ko. Yes! Yeah. I know. Odin is there. Mayroong mga delivery, lalo na yung Amazon. Amazon kasi mostly yung ano namin dito kapag may delivery. Hindi may iwasan, guys. Baka may kumuha na yung mga box nyo. Kaya mas mabuti na rin yun. So kung mayroong magnanakaw ng mga box namin galing Amazon na ino-order, at least makikita namin sa ring camera doorbell. So, yun as well, guys. Ang laki ng mukha ko. One of the reason as well, guys, na bumili si Daddy ng ring doorbell for the safety. And there's twice na magkaibang lalaki to, guys, ha, na sumilip sa bahay namin. Iwan ko kung anong sinisilip. Wala naman silang mananakaw dito sa bahay namin. Liit mo gamit, hindi naman expensive. And then, kaya yun, tapos ako, syempre hadlo ang hindi bigatla. Natatakot ako, guys. Kasi kabilang halos ni Matias dito sa bahay. Ako at si Matias lang. Kaya yun, takot ang bigatla. And then, mayroon din kaming app na makapag-monitor kung anong nangyayari sa neighborhood. Kasi kahit dito, guys, uso ang nakawan. Tagang po rin mga kuwatan, guys, na mga watog sakyanan, naganako ng mga sasakyan, tapos pumapasok yan sa yard nyo. Mayroon silang mga kukunin dyan, lalo na mayroon kayong mga mower. Guys, dapat ilak nyo talaga yung bahay. Hindi lang sa Pinas, mayroong magnanakaw pati rin dito. Mayroon nga ditong nagbabarilan, guys, yung kalapit lang na neighbor namin doon. Bakit kasi mayroon din mga ganggang dito dahil sa mga droga. Tapos, doon nga nagbabarilan. Minsan yung mga bahay na na maapilog. Tapos sila, takabahal muna extra ingat din, guys. Dili lang sa Pinas, hatlok pati rin dito sa Amerika. Kaya, much better din na mayroon kayong app na sa my neighborhood. Para alam niyo mga pangyayari, hindi yan sa nakikichismis. Para lang din yan sa safety. Kasi araw-araw dito, kahit hindi araw-araw, mayroon nagnakaw sa sakyan. Paulit-ulit, guys, paulit-ulit. Ingat din pag may time. Kami lang din dito, Matias. Lalo na pag mag-start na si Daddy mag-work na. Mas lalo na, tapos mayroon pa akong dalawang chikiting. Kaya ingat-ingat pag may time. Remember, not only in the Philippines, na uso yung nakawan at yung iba pa. Pati rin dito sa Amerika. Sige, guys, mahaba ng patalastas. Kaya, putulin na natin ang chikahan ito. At salamat sa panonood. Kahit boring yung mga videos ko, guys, andyan pa rin kayo sumusubaybay. Thank you very much. Lalo na sa mga bigatla sisters ko. Nandyan parati. Kahit ako, hindi ako parati nandyan sa kanilang mga premiere or anything. Pasensya na mga bigatla. And then, basta thank you so much sa inyo. Wala ko'y laing sulti. Basta salamat ko kaayo sa inyong proud Bisaya. Kaya mga bigatla po sister, mga Bisaya kong dako, mga bigatla dyan kayo. Sige guys, sa at sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Unta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. Stay safe and God bless everyone. Oops, bye-bye!